Now, our next term is solution. So, as we have seen, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So, let's see more about solution. A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. Solution, a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means we can't separate the substances or ingredients which are there in the solution. So that is called as homogeneous mixture. एकजीव मिश्रण ज्याला म्हणू आपण, that is called as solution. In the first beaker in above activity, just we have seen an activity, homogeneous mixture of water and salt is formed. जेव्हा मीठ पाण्यामध्ये पूर्णपणे डिझॉल्व्ह होतं, that is called as homogeneous mixture. When sugar dissolves in water, that is also called as homogeneous mixture. त्याच्यामधून आपण साखर किंवा मीठ वेगळं वेगळं नाही काढू शकत है ना, isn't it? So that is called homogeneous mixture. So that component of solution which is present in the largest proportion is called solvent. ज्याच्यामध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह होतं दॅट इज सॉल्व्हेंट. वॉटरमध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह होतं सगळ्या मीठ शुगर ह्या गोष्टी वॉटरमध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह होतात. सो वॉटर इज कॉल्ड एज solvent. The other components which are in less proportion than that of solvent, they are called as solutes. म्हणजे मीठ आणि साखर जे आपण सॉल्व्हेंटमध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह करतोय दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज सोल्यूट. मीठ आणि साखरेला आपण या ठिकाणी सोल्यूट म्हटलेलं आहे. The process of forming a solution by mixing solutes in the solvent is called as dissolution. When the solute and solvent dissolving together, that is called as dissolution. According to the states of component, solution can be of many types. The solution such as seawater, blue vitriol dissolves in water. Salt dissolves in water. Sugar syrup dissolves in water. So all these are various types of solutions. That means solutions can be liquid in liquid type. म्हणजे विनेगर ज्यावेळी आपण पाण्यात मिक्स करू दॅट इज अ लिक्विड टाईप ऑफ सोल्युशन. Sometimes it is gas in gas, that means air contains various gases. Sometimes it is solid and solid type solution also. Alloys means alloys are made up of two or more than two different metals. So when brass, steel and stainless steels we have seen, so these are the alloys. They are the mixtures of various metals. So when in solid state we mix together, they are known as solid solution. So chlorinated water, hydrochloric acid, all these things, the composition of homogeneous mixture, that is to be say solution, is uniform throughout the bulk. If solvent is transparent liquid, the solution is also transparent and it passes through a filter paper. Here suspension and colloids are seen. So let's see more about suspension. In second beaker in the above activity, heterogeneous mixture of water and sawdust is formed. आता आपण सॉडस्ट म्हणजे लाकडाचा भुसा जर पाण्यात टाकला तर तो डिझॉल्व्ह होत नाही. मग काय होतं इथे, इट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ लिक्विड अँड सॉलिड अँड इट इज अ हेटेरोजिनस मिक्सचर. म्हणजे ते होमोजिनस नाही आहे, एकत्र नाही होत आहे. सो इट इज अ हेटेरोजिनस मिक्सचर ऑफ लिक्विड अँड सॉलिड. सो हिअर सस्पेन्शन इज सीन. ज्यावेळी आपण पाण्यामध्ये लाकडाचा भुसा टाकू, इट सस्पेंडेड, इट डझंट मिक्सेस. सो diameter of the solid particles in suspension is larger than 10⁴ meter. Therefore light cannot be transmit. आता आपण म्हटलं होतं या ठिकाणी की आपल्याला लाईट पास करायचं आहे. त्या सोल्युशनमधून जर लाईट पास होत असेल, लेझर बीम जर पास होत असेल तर देन इट इज कॉल्ड homogeneous solution. But if it cannot transmit properly, then it is a heterogeneous mixture. So filter paper as residue and therefore the liquid and solid components of the suspension get separated by filtration. तर आपण heterogeneous mixture मध्ये दोन्ही substances वेगळे वेगळे करू शकतो by filtration. and sometimes colloids are seen. आता एक मिक्सचर आपण थर्ड बीकरमध्ये बघितलं होतं, त्याला काय म्हटलं होतं आपण, कोलायडल. आता इथे आपण मिल्क, in third beaker we have taken milk along with water. So what happened here, the mixture of water and milk is in the third beaker. is transculent. Transculent, it means that when light is incidence of the surface of the mixture, it is partly transmitted and partly scattered. पूर्णपणे तो ट्रान्समिट पण होणार नाही आणि पूर्णपणे तो स्कॅटरिंग होईल त्याच्यामध्ये. Partly it is scattered. So these tiny particles of milk phase is heterogeneous mixture are disappeared evenly in water phase. So and the diameter of these particles around is 10 raised to 5 meters. Such a heterogeneous mixture is called as colloid. म्हणजे पहिलं जे होतं, when we added common salt to the water, that is homogeneous mixture. So we called it as solution. First. Second, when we mixed sawdust in water, that is called suspension. And when we mixed milk in water, that is called colloidal solution. So colloidal solution is the middle phase. In that case, the light, the beam of light transmitted, but it is partly transmitted and partly scattered. In suspension, it has not transmitted properly, but in solution, because it is homogeneous mixture, so the light can be easily transmitted. So this is all about mixtures.